I keep hearing about your hand-holding trading classes. Tell me honestly, what exactly do you teach there? And who can attend this program?
This is not a class where we talk theory or give calls. This is a pure hand-holding program. And this program is from beginners to advanced. So just need to have knowledge of colors, that's it. You sit in front of your system, see the live charts, and you yourself decide where to buy, where to sell, where to keep stop loss, where to book profit. We guide you step by step.
I mainly trade stock options. Is there anything simple for option buying?
Yes, the zone signal method. It's specially designed for stock option buyers. Small stop loss, big reward, sometimes 200-300% returns. Everything is color-coded. Green arrow, green dot is decision zone. Orange line is stop loss, yellow dot is target. The chart of this method is shown live and you'll be asked, where will you buy, where is your stop loss, where is your target? You analyze your own trade, not ours.
What if someone wants to trade daily in index options?
Then we teach the index option method. It works on 3-minute charts. Only 2 to 4 quality trades per day, applied only during high momentum. Avoid sideways markets. You'll see a triangle on the chart. Entry, stop loss, target. Everything is written on the chart itself. And yes, the chart of this method is given live and explained.
I am interested in commodities. Is anything covered for that?
Absolutely. This method is for commodity intraday traders. Red dot to green dot is selling zone. Green dot to red dot is buying zone. Re-entry triangles shown clearly. Entry, stop loss, target mentioned. Works from 15-minute to 1-hour charts. And yes, you see this full setup live on the chart.
What about scalping?
We cover 3 variations of scalping. Applicable to crypto, forex, commodity. Best on 3-minute and 5-minute charts. Entry, stop loss, target shown either on arrows or boxes. Charts are displayed live so you understand speed, execution and timing.
What if someone wants positional option trading?
We cover that too. Buying options, selling options, combination strategies. You'll see background color change, arrow for direction, gray line or channel for exit. The positional option chart is shown clearly, so strategy building becomes visual, not confusing.
I don't get much time daily.
Then this is for you. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day, hold trades for 5 to 6 days. Big moves, relaxed mindset. Again, pure color-coded chart system shown live during the session.
Anything for long-term investors?
Yes, the multi-bagger stock method. For 2 to 3 years investments, entry when stock is cheap, first green arrow after red line break. Trail stop loss with red line. Many stocks have given 5x, 8x, even 10x, and the exact chart logic is shown live. Why this is a hand-holding program? You can see charts on mobile, but we insist you sit with laptop, pen and paper. You get software access, you apply every method with your own hands, and we confirm whether you're doing it right. Intraday, short-term, long-term, options, cash market. You don't need to master everything, even 1 or 2 methods are enough. Along with this, risk management, portfolio creation, combining methods, equity cash intraday application. This is real hand-holding, not motivation.
Now I understand. This is not learning trades. This is learning how to think like a trader.
Exactly.